We met at a block party. I wasn't a party person, but my sister wouldn't allow me rest. When I met him, I would say it was love at first sight for me.
I'm happy for you.
He came to where I was sipping my never ending vodka, engaged me in a discussion, and we connected. I felt so happy because I thought he felt the same thing I felt, which was something I couldn't explain.
I feel happy, I feel grateful, and I feel fulfilled. I'm happy because I never expected it, but God gave it to me.
Fast forward, we became close as friends. This type of friendship felt different in a good way because I knew I had found my soulmate.
Just want to relax and be taken care of.
We were always there for each other and had each other's back. We weren't an official item, but it felt like we were, and everyone around us assumed we were a couple.
If I no laugh, I go cry. So it's better I laugh.
We would usually be on the phone talking for hours and go on different dates. It was about a year and we had no physical intimacy.
He shock you.
I wasn't bothered because I believed sex after marriage was the best.
Come on for my frogs, who be this guy? You know this guy.
We'd always fight and still make up. Picking up our little friendship from where we stopped wasn't a big deal. After some time, I felt it was about time we pushed things up a little, and I decided to bring it up.
I don't fear anything.
I called him and said I wanted to talk to him about something. He said he had something to tell me too. I decided not to go first, so he will be the one to say it himself eventually.
Would you ever get married to him? Ever?
So I allowed him to tell me what he wanted to say. I was delighted that this was finally happening after a year of good friends and getting to know each other well. And I was optimistic that nothing could go wrong.
We have a comedian here, comedian!
He started talking and I felt I was in a movie. He told me he's been in contact for about a month with a girl he mentioned to me once, but didn't tell me he was seriously going to pursue anything with her.
What's going on in this life? What's going on, man? What's going on? People tell me, please, what's going on?
He said he didn't want to tell me till she accepted his proposal and he wanted me to go on a date with them so he'd introduce his girlfriend to his world's best friend. I didn't even understand the feeling that were battling inside me. I tried my best not to cry or act angry, and at the same time, I was trying to act happy and excited for him because thinking about it, we weren't dating. We never had any form of intimacy. He asked me what I wanted to tell him, and at that point, the only thing that mattered to me was to end the call and cry my cry in peace. Don't catch feelings. The street is not your friend. I learned this the hard way. Siri, play me Last Last by Burna Boy.
Actually, they laugh me. You say baby and wisdom, good for the prophet too. Last, all of us will chop breakfast. I don't chop my own breakfast. I see day my day. I see my tell good night.
Oh, fool.